How to install Read Aloud in ChatGPT 5.6 for free. ChatGPT 5.6 can read responses aloud for free, and here's how to enable it on desktop. So first, on your desktop, go to chat.openai.com. Then from here, you'll find this more option below the answer of ChatGPT to your prompt. So from here, you'll find Read Aloud. So once you click on this, ChatGPT will start reading aloud all of the responses that ChatGPT has sent to you. You can also pair ChatGPT's voice with system accessibility tools like VoiceOver or Narrator for extended Read Aloud support. Free accounts can use Read Aloud, but daily usage is capped. Heavy use may require ChatGPT Plus. ChatGPT 5.6 Read Aloud is free and easy to use, perfect for learning, accessibility, and hands-free interaction.